Our commitment remains unchanged. Leading manufacturing through innovation. Connecting with the world through craftsmanship. From producing single items to developing integrated solutions, we transform ideas into tangible products that become part of family life. Bornic is dedicated to becoming a solution provider for water mixing systems, heating, and cooling. Our company was founded in 2005. We started from brass fittings. Now we have more than 2,000 types molds for fittings and valves. At Bornic, we come from a simple belief: water connects every life and every home. We tackle the unknown with intelligence, simplifying complicated steps into easy operations, turning ideas into reality. Every detail is scrutinized, and we keep improving through continuous exploration. Different supply systems enable precise and orderly control of flow and drainage. Most of our work involves refining product details or envisioning the safety and environmental friendliness of home pipeline systems. To us, every product and every process is interconnected. We strive for perfection in every detail, building trust through dedication and carving out quality with precision. Every moment spent grinding, drilling, and milling reflects our attention to quality. In the interplay of light and heat during production, the essence of craftsmanship is honed. On bustling assembly lines, our commitment to quality is passed down. We continuously refine our processes, ensuring productivity with advanced techniques and upholding strict standards through rigorous testing, all to earn trust. About quality, the heart of what we do. Quality is not an option here, it's our DNA. Every fitting passes through strict material control, precision machining, and 100% testing. Our goal is not only to meet standards, but to set new ones. When customers hold our product, they feel confidence, not just metal. We believe that well-delivered products stand the test of time. For 2 decades, we have forged ahead, expanding from China to the world. Our products are now sold across Europe, Latin America, the United States, Russia, and other regions, contributing China's expertise to the valve manufacturing industry. We adhere to the principles of integrity first, quality foremost, mutual benefit, and common development. We constantly pursue innovation, offering top-tier products, reliable credibility, and competitive prices to serve society and our customers, both old and new.
Hallo, ik ben Alex van China Bornica. We zijn de beste.
Hallo, ich bin Jeffrey from Bornica. Wir sind die Besten.
مرحبا, it's Nikia. Buenas afternoon.
Hola, me llamo Bianca. Somos los mejores.
안녕하세요. 저는 낸시입니다. 우리는 최고예요.
Здравствуйте, меня зовут Фан. Мы самые лучшие.
Hello, I'm Nora. We are the best.
Behind every product and every gesture of trust lies our spirit, precision, sincerity, and perseverance. We are committed to doing even the smallest things with great dedication.